one way to make any Pilates class more challenging is to add layers. And one of those layers is this opening of your collarbones. Now, instead of thinking about the collarbones opening from the front of your shoulders, think about the collarbones opening from the back of your shoulders. Think about those wing parts of your shoulder blades drawing toward each other and then down your back. So go ahead and do that. Draw your shoulder blades together and down your back. See how that automatically opened up his collarbones without straining the shoulder. It's not about pulling the front part of your shoulder back. It's about using your back muscles to open up the front of your shoulders. So you're actually using and strengthening the back of your muscles, which is really good for posture as well. Now, one side note, as you open up the front of your shoulders, make sure that these front ribs aren't popping out. The natural tendency is, as soon as you open up the front of your shoulders, your front ribs pop open. So as you open up your collarbones from the back of your shoulders, make sure that your front ribs are softened and connected in the front. So you can also do the same thing lying on your belly. So even though you're lying on your belly, you can still open up the front of your collarbones by using the back of your shoulders. So drawing that wing part of your shoulder blades towards each other and dropping down your back, and you're strengthening the back of your shoulders, the back of your upper back, but then also lengthening the back of your neck. Now you can do the same thing sitting up. You can draw your shoulder blades together and drop down your back to open up the front of your shoulders. So again here, it's not about pressing open the front of your shoulders, it's really the work is coming from the back of your shoulders. So a layer like this, you can add in your everyday life to help improve your posture. Just think about your shoulder blades drawing towards each other and down your back to open up the front of your shoulders. You can do this in the grocery store, you can do this sitting at work, you can do this in every exercise in a Pilates class.